You bought a bag of cat food that is 12 kilograms. How many ounces is this? Express your answer rounded to the nearest tenth of an ounce. Now I'm also going to do this one two ways because when we, kilograms is metric, right? Ounces is customary. So I say we got to jump across the pond when you do that, when you're changing from metrics to customary. And when you do that, jump across the pond, you've got two different conversions to use. So I want to show it both ways. So our first step, we start with our 12 kilograms. And I'm going to start by saying, well, I want 1 kilogram on the bottom, and 1 kilogram will take me to 2.2 pounds. So that first conversion right there gets me out of kilograms and gets me into the customary unit, because that's the big trick here of how do we jump from metric to customary. So this one's not too bad because the kilogram leads me straight to pounds. And then hopefully you recognize that 1 pound is 16 ounces. So, all right, that's not too bad. That makes my pounds go away. And now, since, look, everything's in the top, I don't have to divide by anything because I only have ones in the denominator. So I multiply across the top, 12 times 2.2 times 16. And to the nearest tenth, I have an answer of 422.4 ounces. All right. So that wasn't too bad, but now we're going to do it the other way, using a different conversion to jump across the pond, and we'll see how it affects our overall final answer. So again, we start with 12 kilograms. This time, I still have kilograms on the bottom and pounds on the top because I need my kilograms to cancel out, but now I'm going to use 1 pound is 0.454 kilograms. So that jumping up across the pond conversion factor puts me into pounds. And then just like the last one, we know that 16 ounces is 1 pound. That final conversion doesn't change, but it gets me out of pounds. So now on the top, we're going to multiply 12 times 16, and we're going to divide by 0.454 because it's in the bottom, right? Any numbers in the bottom you have to divide by. So when I do that, I get 422.9 to the nearest tenth of an ounce. So when we did it the other way, we had 0.4. This way we had 0.9. So you can see again we're off by 5/10 which is of an ounce, which is not half of an ounce, not bad at all. But if you're doing problems with somebody else, it may cause confusion. So always double check what conversion factors you are using.